your two common mistakes when you are removing the gel product. The first mistake when you stick with the low quality drill bit. You are trying to work with it with the medium speed or with the low speed to avoid hitting the nail plate of your client. You are trying to change the direction, not to move the drill bit on the same place, but it's still hitting the nail plate. The answer is: do you remember the friction law on the physics lesson? The larger area of objects, in our case these are the nail plate and the drill bit, the higher the friction between them, the temperature of your drill bit and your E-file is increasing quickly. And we listen from the client, oh, but how to cheat with friction law? No, doubtedly we should increase the sizes of teeth which our drill bit has. All the rest of cheap drill bits, they have small toothing. But for example, the barrel drill bit, it has large size toothing. Therefore, it will bring less friction. If you don't believe me, try by yourself. Just from the one side, use the simple cylinder and move through the nail plate, removing the gel product. You will see that the nail plate hitting very fast. And from the one side, let's try the barrel drill bit and move it up and down through the nail plate, and it practically doesn't hit the nail. Of course, if you stop barrel drill bit on the same place and don't move, in this case it would hit the nail plate, but it has the lower heating level than other drill bits. The second mistake is the speed which you work with. I know that many of my friends work with the low speed. I think, guys, you lose your time. If you use high quality drill bit, don't be afraid in this case to work with high speed. You will save your time, a lot of time, which you can use, for example, for creating the beautiful nail design. As you can see in lots of my videos, I'm working with a high speed. In rare exceptions, when I have such clients who feel the pain too much, in this case I make lower speed, but in 99% I prefer working with high speed. I hope you guys would appreciate my advices and you make the comment under the video if it useful for you or not. Have you ever had difficult clients and our nail technicians refuse from them? I have couple of such clients and no one nail technician in my city don't want to do their nails. One of them has dirty nails, she works on the warehouse with a coal. And the other client, she's beating her nails steadily. I think, guys, we shouldn't refuse those clients because we improve our skills doing their nails. You will never be famous nail technicians without doing such difficult nails, because one of those clients made me popular. 4 years ago I have published video with transformation of her nails. I did it and had millions of views. And you can follow my way too. It doesn't mean you should make new videos for YouTube. You just can make photo before and after and publish this photo into your Instagram or TikTok. People around will see how professional you are, and you will have more clients. You can place the higher price. Your clients will believe in you. They will never criticize you because of mistakes. Oppositely, they will only think that you are the best in this deal and will never compare you to the other nail master. So you guys, you can follow my way. You can use the same products, the sculpting mix gel, fantastic drill bits for gel removal and cleaning the cuticles area and underneath of the nail plate, I mean those cone drill bit. You would definitely avoid cheap Chinese drill bits which can only spoil the nail plates and waste your time. And those cheap Chinese sculpting gel, which extremely burns the nail plate, which cannot be properly cured in LED lamp. So if you want to go this way successfully, if you want to have recognition of people, other nail technicians, your clients, I think the best price for every nail technician is having a power on the trends. I mean, if you do something, for example, the spatial nail design, which have not been ever done before, and this design quickly is becoming the trend of the year. In that case, it's real happiness. For example, for me, I enjoy effective things like that. They bring me satisfaction of my work, and this way I'm sure in the next day. What do you think about all these things? And what will have you after listening to advices of those theoretics? I have done nails for video just 1 or 2 times in my career. All our other works were made for real clients and on their nails. You see them coming back to infill their nails. You can look it on the designs. For the first time we do this design, and after we remove this design after 1 month. I just want to say that you should listen to practicing professional, not those theoretics who want to make money on views. Only professionals can show you all details. Because if you don't want some details and start your work, you can make a lot of mistakes. For example, if you take the new file of 100 grit and start shaping nails of your client, you can easily cut the skin. Beginners don't know that every new file should be blunted. I mean, corners of the file should be shaped one file to the other file. They will be a little bit blunted, and you would shape nails with the surface of the file, not with the corners. But the corners are always touching the skin. And if you didn't know this, I think your nail school or someone who taught you should lose its license. Because these are fundamental things. And from the other case, sometimes nail schools and trainers give you too much information. I mean, too much rubbish and trash things that will never help you. This information is just confusing you, and you feel that this industry is very difficult. I know that some nail schools teach their students to sterilize their products, so this process takes more time than doing nails. For example, you do nails in an hour, but sterilizing products takes more than 1 hour. But you have 1 or 2 clients a day. Why should you just do these long things? It's profitable for you is just open each new item for the client and throw out after using it, instead of doing sterilization processes in hours. So guys, you should remember about all these things and choose the correct products and correct trainers. The main your mistake is using unprofessional dust collector. A lot of nail masters in Russia are criticizing me, but it would be better for them is thinking about their health. The problem is that those dust collectors which we used to order from Chinese stores, I mean those with the bag under the collector, they don't practically remove the fragrances, and half of dust are still flying in the air, and the length of the nail master is full of this dust. I'm not a doctor to tell you disease which can be associated with working with the dust, but I'm absolutely sure that some of my friends who started working 10 years ago, they have some problems with lungs. They didn't use even dust collectors. They wanted to make too much money, but now they have to spend this money on doctors. The best way to protect your health is organizing the professional dust collector. I mean, not that dust collector which is advertised by sellers. You should make this dust collector by yourself using special ventilators and special tubes with removing the dust and fragrances outdoor. You should organize your workplace near the window. One glass from the window should be replaced with the plastic sandwich panel. We make into this panel the hole for the tube, and we make the hole into the center of the table, right there where shaping and filing nails. Sometimes you see me working with my wife's nails at home. It's not needed to do such serious construction if you do nails once a month. But as you can see, I'm even using vacuum cleaner. Yes, house vacuum cleaner to remove the dust, because I don't want to breathe it. But if you guys are professional, I suggest you to use professional drill bits which don't make too much dust, like barrel drill bit. I mean, barrel drill bit never makes the extra tiny dust pieces like other types. This is cutting the material, the product, to the large pieces which are not flying, they are falling on the table. If you need the scheme of this construction, I will send you in the direct message.